Now children, look at these examples here on exercise before exercise 1 on page number 47. Monkeys are naughty animals. Are is the verb here which shows state of being. That monkeys are naughty animals. There is no action which is taking place here. Second one, monkeys have long tails. Again, no action is taking place. Have is the verb here which shows possession. Third one is monkeys are snatching fruits from the passers-by. Is there an action? Yes, they are. Snatching is the action. Are is the linking verb or the helping verb, and snatching is the main verb. There can be more than one verbs in a sentence, as I told you. The fairy was beautiful. Fourth one is fairy was beautiful. It's a one word verb. कौन सा verb है इसमें? Was. और was क्या है? It's a state of being. Be का एक state है, past tense. The fairy was helping a child. In this, there is a main verb and a helping verb, a linking word, which is was is the linking verb and helping is the main verb. Two verbs are there in the sentence. And in this sentence, verb show action. क्या action हो रहा है? Helping. Fairy was helping. The fairy would be helping the child because of her kind nature. In this, there are three verbs. Would be helping. तीन verbs हैं इसमें. And the verb helping shows action. Would be, they are the linking verbs to it. Now, let's come to the exercise. In the exercise, you have to write whether the verb it shows action, or it shows a state of being, or it shows possession. आपको underlined verbs को समझना है कि ये are they showing state of being or they are showing possession. Possession के लिए हम P लिखेंगे. State of being के लिए you will write B. Possession के लिए P and action के लिए A लिखेंगे हम in front of the sentence. Let's start. I am grateful to Shri D.R. Patel. Am is the verb here which shows state of being. कोई action नहीं हो रहा sentence में. Am is the form of be which is in the sentence. They have some photos of your childhood. In this sentence, have is the verb in the sentence which shows possession. So you will write P against it. All the students clapped for their friends. In this sentence, clapped is the action which is taking place. There is an action. Clapping is the action, and so you will write the action verb A against it. Shreya can sing well. In this sentence, again action is taking place. So can sing is the verb in the sentence, and you will write A for action in front of it. She is a famous singer. No action is taking place here. Is the verb here which shows state of being. So you will write B in front of the sentence. Likewise, these 5 I have done for you. The next 5 you will do in your book. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 you will do and post it now as your classwork, children. And please revise all these sentences given above, and also the exercise. Try to understand the video, the explanation that I posted today. एक बार, 2 बार, 3 बार, जितनी बार समझना है आप समझो उसको. And the exercise also, if you have not understood it, कब state of being होता है, कब position होता है और कब action show करता है the verb in the sentence. ठीक है, पहले तो identify the verbs in the sentences and then do this. Thank you.